Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on the Craigslist website. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in craigslist.org and press enter. This will then take you into the official Craigslist website. Now in order to change your email address, you simply need to click on the account icon at the top right corner first and then log into your account first by using your email address and your password. Once you have logged in, you can click on the same button to end up into this page. After you are in this page, you can simply click on the settings option at the right side and then you will find your email address at the very top. Simply click on the change button at the right side and now you will be able to change your email address. Simply type in your current email address followed by your password and then click on the login button first. After you do this, you will be allowed to enter your new email address. Simply click on the new email address box and then type in the new email address that you want to set. Then simply type in the new email address once again to confirm it and then click on the submit button. After you click on submit new email address, this will send an email to your new email address to verify your change. So simply open up the inbox and click on the link that is sent to you by Craigslist and this will verify your change. After this process is completed, you can use your new email address along with your current password to log in to your Craigslist account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email on Craigslist. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.